Hey, welcome back to my channel. My name is Norma with All Things Handmade. And in this channel, you're going to be learning how to create, how to buy at wholesale, how much you invest, how much to sell it for, and how much your profit is. And if you're new in this channel, make sure that you subscribe. And I hope I'm able to serve you well with all the information that I have. Other than that, let's not wait any longer. Let me get my table ready and let's get to work. We are continuing with the Cricut for beginners, and in this video I'm going to do another frame like I did the last one, and I'm going to put a link of the video I did in regards to making a frame personalized. But in this case, I already put everything that I'm going to need. I went into images on my Cricut and I researched mermaid, and I found this nice mermaid little frame, and then I added the name that I want to add, and I want this mermaid. So my picture frame, it's 7 by 7. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring this out a little bit right there. It doesn't matter the size at this moment because we're gonna size it again. And then this one here, we're going to ungroup it. Okay, so you go to your right hand side up here and it says ungroup, because we want to organize that with the mermaid. So I'm going to go ungroup. Then I'm going to separate them, and I'm going to bring mermaid in here, and I may need to bring it a little smaller. And this is where it's up to you, where you decide where you want to put them, how you want to put them. You can go back and forth. So I want to bring her here, maybe about right there. And then I'm going to bring these up here. Okay, so that's basically more or less what I want. And then I want the hearts like right there. So I know that this looks pretty good already. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to paste them by color. So right now I'm going to grab these two right there, and I'm going to weld them right there. So we have our first set. Okay, so we have it right there. So now we're going to do the sharing, and we're going to place it where we want it. This thing keeps moving. And then we'll probably want to make it a little smaller. And then right there, I think I like it right there. And then we're going to bring the hearts. Where do we want the hearts? So we want to just put them like right where we want them, or where they fit. So you can do it differently. You can set it different way. See, like you can even go in here, just pretty much do whatever. Okay, right there. If I go there, I have all my hearts right there. Okay, so then I'm going to move the mermaid away and the heart away, and I'm going to grab these two right there, and I'm going to weld them. Very easy. Okay, now I bring my mermaid right here and put it back. So we have two different colors together. And again, you might decide that you want to place that differently than what I did. That's fine, just whatever works for you. So if I have it right there, then I need to, let me grab all of these so I can move it a little bit up. Now I want the heart to go right here. So it's obvious that we need to make it smaller. So we're going to go here. And if I make it like about there, just right there. You can even go a little bigger than that. See, right there. So there you have it. Okay, you might want to take a picture of it, but at this point, everything is already to be printed. I already print mine, but I'm just going to put you through, show you how it is. So you just go make it. And you also can, now we're going to go ahead and print it. And I decided that I'm not going to do it mirror after all, because the mermaid on the other side is not glitter. I didn't realize that at the moment. It's not glitter, and it's kind of a grayish color without the glitter. So, and I want it to be glitter. So I'm just going to go ahead and go make it. And on the last video, remember I told you to just take it away from the red line for just a little bit, all of them. Okay, so let's go ahead and print them, and we'll be ready to work with them. I wasn't going to do that step because I already did it with the other video, but I'm going to go ahead and just show you. So I have my, the first step is the mermaid part. So I'm just going to put a transfer tape over it. And remember that I'm going to put all the links to where to get all your materials down in the description box. So we're just going to go ahead and transfer these two to the transfer tape. And I had people who reach out to me and they ask me, I mean, I don't want you to do the whole thing. Can you just print that for me? And how much will you charge me? And I have done that before. Not only for like frames like this, but also for t-shirts. I just go ahead and print everything and they do it themselves. Some people like to do that. So I'm just going to put it where I think the middle is. So I think it's about right there. And we're going to go ahead and put it down. I really like the Minnie Mouse one, but I think this one is going to be my favorite for some reason. But of course, everything that I do, new is my favorite. So you never know. Okay, so here's the next one right there. Make sure that it transfers nicely. Here we are. When it doesn't, when it seems that it doesn't want to transfer, just kind of press it there. See, like that. Sometimes I don't know why it just kind of does that. So there it is. Oh, the sharing. There you go. So I'm making this for my friend. She doesn't know yet, but I know she loves mermaid stuff. So I'm making this for her. Okay, so here it is. So now we're going to go ahead and try to put this where we think is, you know, it looks nice. So we're going to go. Just like that. Put it down. The hearts, all the hearts. Bring it up. Here you go, the end. And finally, there's one that I missed. I'm gonna cut this for the last word, which is heart. And remember that you can save these and reuse it. So I'm just going to put it on top of my big roll and save it. So we're just doing the heart one. Here it is. And on the last video, I also did a breakdown price so that you know that if you're going to sell them, how much you want to sell them for. And I don't know why this is giving me such a hard time. Maybe because I have used these transfer paper way too many times. So maybe it's time to just dispose of it. So here we have it. So we just kind of look for the place where we want it. And I'm going to cut a little more because I don't have a lot of room. I mean, what you need to do is make sure that this is fun. Don't make it like a job. Do it because you're having fun, and you're going to see how better it's going to be for you. So I'm going to just go ahead and put this down right there. And there it is. There you have it. See how beautiful that looks? Let me turn it this way so you can see it better. There it is. So that's, so here it is. So that's all for me, guys. I hope you experiment with yours. Go on my Facebook or my Instagram, or put a message and share with you what you did. I'm going to put a picture of this and the other two that I made on my Facebook. It's under Mommy's Designs. And I'm looking forward to seeing your projects and how they came out. Other than that, thank you so much for watching. May the Lord bless you today and every day. And until next time, thank you.